Irina, I've been trying to find that moment that I knew that you were the one. That magical moment that we see in movies when two people fall in love for the first time. It may have been when our eyes locked in that coffee shop or on one of our first walks through the snow-covered parks in Chicago. Every sip of coffee, every walk we take, every long, tiresome, busy day, and every moment of joy, I fall in love with you for the first time. And years from now, when we look back on today, I'll know that magical moment when we fell in love for the first time happened again right now.
Wherever you're going, I'm going that way. And from now on, Jo tera hal hai, wo mera hal hai. So lean on me and I'll lean on you, and together we'll get through. I love you forever.